Hi, welcome to today's meditation. And in today's meditation, we will imagine we have access to this magical swimming pool. And the water in this pool had the power to restore the health of your body, calm your mind, and also help to release some emotional grips of past events and old beliefs. All right, let's get started with finding comfortable seat and keep your eyes closed. You also can choose to lay down on the floor, whatever makes you feel comfortable in this moment. All right, we will release the tension in our body with slow and even breathing. And keep your eyes softly shut and relax your mouth. Each time you breathe in and out, your body just feels more relaxed. You allow the warmth of your breath to soften your body, especially the area that's been carrying the tension all this time. And you allow your thoughts come and go. You become more present each time you breathe in and out. Your fingertips, your toes are relaxed. Your jaw are relaxed. Your mouth is relaxed. And now you're ready to shift to this new reality. Imagine you're vacationing at this beautiful location. It is remote, exotic, beautiful. It's nested in the nature, right? And you can hear the birds chirping. You can see the mountain in the distance. And this is going to be your sanctuary for the next few days or weeks. Your only job here is to be present, to enjoy the life. All the chatters of your life is gone, and you just need to relax all day, every day. And you also have access to this magical swimming pool. And the water in the pool can restore the health of your body or the pain you've been dealing with all this time. So now you're ready to step into the pool with the clothes on or without the clothes, whatever makes you feel free and comfortable in this moment. And the moment you step into the pool and you feel the gentleness of this water, the water is warm. The temperature is perfect. It feels like a mother's caressing, right, on a baby. That's how gentle this water makes your body feel. And you just step in the pool and allow yourself to flow in this water. And you just instantly feel lighter, weightless, and all you feel is this cooling breeze caressing your face. And you're letting go all the worries, right? All the thoughts that's been hindering to relax. And you just enjoy the nature. You smell the beautiful flowers. And each time you breathe in and out, your heart expands. You feel more gratitude in your heart, and you feel more love in your heart. And you're whispering the following words to yourself. How did I manifest this life? And this question just makes you feel even happier, even more grateful for this moment. And your body just completely relaxed. And you feel lighter, you feel safe, and you feel supported by this magical water in the pool. So you just continue allowing yourself to relax. You feel even calmer. You feel safe. You feel serene. It feels like you're floating in the pool of serenity. And you know you can stay here for as long as you want. And you also can just take your time and slowly come back to the reality. Right? Start wiggling your fingertips and your toes. And take your time, open your eyes. And now you know this feeling you felt in your imagination, it is your reality, right? Or has become part of your reality. And you take this feeling with you throughout the day after today, or the day after tomorrow, right? Now the feeling is being impressed in your mind. You have access to this beautiful feeling anytime you need to. Thanks for meditating with me. Namaste.